Hello everyone, I'm Satvik from BCAK 5th Sem. So today I will be sharing my feedback on GenAI workshop which I recently attended, and it was great, insightful 3 days GenAI workshop conducted by Praveen sir. And I would like to thank our Honorable Director sir for organizing such insightful and such a means knowledgeable workshop on the technology that is booming right now. And we learned a lot of things like how to train a model and how to use various LLM models to create lots of application. Alongside, we also learned some basic principles of computer programming, like how to push your code to GitHub, and some advanced concepts in Python like decorator. And I also created lots of projects like grammar correction, AI powered Python code reviewer, personal finance advisor, recipe generator, and also medical assistance app. So it was great learning for me, and I would like to thank all the directors sir for, and hopefully I will be getting more opportunity to attend lots of more insightful workshop ahead. So thank you.